Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, the third green shirt day in a row. Pretty incredible. I'm glad we're recording these because we're going to want to look back at how amazing this was right during the election period here. We still have what looks like a contested election, does not seem to be bothering the market. When I look back at September and October, that seemed to be one of the issues, but that seems to have resolved itself. I think more than anything, there was just so many people that thought the market was going to go down and so many people waiting on the sidelines, just kind of this relief. And then once it starts to run, everybody's jumping back in. And so there's a lot of buying going on. And really, the S&P 500 was up almost 2% today again. And the clean energy, which we talked about yesterday as one of the pieces that fell a little bit, was up fantastic today. One piece was up 9.6%, the other one was up 7%. So I do think that theme is still there, and now the trend is really marching along. It looks really good. Relative strength, when you're making 9 and 7 and the market's making 2, that's a really good piece. But it wasn't just that. I mean, online retail was up 5.2, smart mobility is 5.4, semiconductors 5.5, Apple 3.6. So really, really good. And I want to thank everybody because, September and October were a little bit rough. We did pretty well, but not as well as we did in the summertime in terms of outperformance. But now it looks really good. I mean, I'm glad we hung in there. We held on to those pieces. I mean, all of them, pet care, U.S. home construction, everybody's having really strong runs. So that's fantastic. Just real quickly, I'll just show you where I see even more strength in the market. Just something unparalleled here. So here's the S&P 500 as represented by Vanguard's S&P 500 index. Here's the volume on that index per day. You can see it by day down here, and this is by price, and it's called the volume profile again. And so when we see big volume below the price, that's support. We've got lots of support. And when we see no volume above the price, that is no resistance to moving forward. And so if I zoom in just a little bit more here, you can see, I mean, really, these are incredible days. Bam, bam, really moving. And then there's really no, resistance above that. So it could be fantastic. Might see some profit taking, who knows what's going to happen for sure, but really, really good so far. Very, very happy with what's happening here. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Is there follow through? What's going on with all of the different pieces of the election? Does that impact things? So really fantastic. Thank you for watching today. Let's see what happens tomorrow.